I'm gonna apply a sheer foundation, full coverage foundation, a lightweight foundation. Use your moisturizer cream. Hello beauty, I'm Olga. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Do you have your favorite makeup blogger, makeup artist who speaks only English and you feel like you cannot understand everything what they're saying? That's not a problem, because in today's video we are going to cover English for makeup so that you can learn all the necessary words and understand any makeup blogger, any makeup artist, and enjoy the knowledge they're sharing. So are you ready? Let's start. So after our skin is prepared for the makeup, and actually I will cover skincare routine in a different video, we are ready to apply makeup or put on makeup. So this is what we do: we apply makeup or we put on makeup. And we usually go with the following steps. We usually start with the primer. And why is it called a primer? What does it mean to prime? So if you prime someone for something, it means that you prepare them with the information or some knowledge. Right now I am priming you to watch any makeup tutorials you only want. So to prime means to inform, to tell, to train, to coach. You can also use prime to describe something what is most important in a situation. So you can say, my prime dream is to speak English fluently. So prime means central, main, important. And the same as in makeup, many makeup artists are saying that primer is a very important step, and they say not to prime is a crime. And you can also use prime to describe something what is of the best quality. For instance, you can say Chanel is by all means one of the prime cosmetic brands. So you can say that prime means top or the best of the best, just the best. Makeup artists say that primer creates an extra layer between our skin and the actual makeup. And primer helps makeup to last longer, and it makes our skin smooth, so very pleasant in touch. And it creates an even skin tone. So an even skin tone, it means that the tone is the same, so it's not like somewhere rosy, somewhere red, and somewhere natural. So it's like even, everywhere the same. Very, very nice color. So even skin tone. And makeup artists also comment that as primer you can use your moisturizing cream. So it can be a hydrating cream or it can be your a different cream. So if you use your moisturizer cream, if you moisturize your skin, it means that you make it softer and you prepare it for being softer and smoother so that you can proceed with the rest of the products. So after we primed our skin or moisturized it, we usually proceed with a foundation. So what does it mean, foundation? So this is a makeup product which is called foundation, but what is the meaning of the actual word foundation? So the foundation of something like a belief, like a way of life, a style of life, is something what it is based on. So what the life consists of, what the life is based on. So it's foundation. For example, you can say my best friends are the foundation of my life. And also when we talk about buildings and you think of an actual house, so the foundation is this layer which goes underground where the house stays on. So it is the foundation, the very, very basic. So in the same way, foundation in makeup is something what the rest of the makeup is based on. So this is the basis, and then we apply all of the other products. Next, you probably heard makeup artists saying that right now I'm gonna apply a sheer foundation or a lightweight foundation or full coverage foundation, so many names. So sheer or light foundation is actually almost transparent. It's very, very light foundation and it has the least amount of pigment. Pigment meaning color. So it is almost transparent. It gives the skin just the least or almost zero color, but it just creates this smooth, even tone, just a very nice skin surface. And absolutely the opposite way, full coverage foundation has a lot of pigment, it has color, and its aim is to cover, so full coverage is to cover our skin tone and make it very, very smooth, nice for maybe video, for photography, usually for such purposes. And something in between is a medium coverage foundation, which is not as pigmented as the full coverage, but still it is not transparent. This is something in between. It covers and smooths the skin tone. Now, the next step to do is to like this video if you are enjoying it, because it will make a huge difference and more people will be able to find it. Now let's move on. As we are done with foundation, we can proceed with the concealer, and again its name just talks for itself. Because if you conceal something, you make it invisible, you cover it or you hide it. Just like in the song Shape of My Heart. Remember there was the line, he may conceal a key in his hand. Remember this one? So because he was hiding a card in his hand, a king in his hand. So conceal means to hide. For example, you can say, it is not a good idea to conceal money under the mattress. Or you may say, a big picture on the wall concealed a small inbuilt safe. Usually we can see it in the movies. And the same way, if you conceal a piece of information or your feeling from anyone else, so you make other people not know about it or not see it. So you can say, don't conceal your thoughts from me, I'm ready to hear the truth. So to conceal, to hide, to mask, to keep as a secret. So with the help of a concealer, we keep a secret our dark circles or bags under eyes. Now, as we are done with our skin tone, we applied foundation and concealer, we usually proceed with powder, correct? And what I heard from makeup artists is that they really like to use the translucent loose setting powder. This is probably what you have heard from them, and they say it very fast. They say translucent loose setting powder. So loose powder, it means that it's like that, it's loose. And this one has pigment, so it has some color, whereas this one is the translucent, meaning transparent, so it has no color, it just covers the foundation, it hides our pores and makes the skin smooth. And makeup artists say that powder helps our makeup to last longer, or even just to last, because if we do not apply any powder, they say, foundation not gonna last the whole day because it is creamy, so it needs some finish. Yes, so it needs some satin, so that's why it's translucent loose satin, so it sets the makeup in place. And what do you call this small powder which we can hide in our purse and we can always take it with us? So this is compact one. So compact or pressed. It is pressed, right? And this one is loose. So that's the difference. Alright, great. Now we're done with our skin tone and skin look completely. Thank you so much for staying till this moment. Please let me know in the comments below if this video was helpful for you, if you had some words which were new for you, and now you can even go and try to watch your favorite YouTube bloggers, makeup artists, to check if you can recognize the words they are saying. And after that, I invite you to proceed with the part 2, English with makeup or English for makeup, where we're gonna be talking about all of the colors that we apply on our face. So types of eyeshadow, eyebrow products, eyelashes, types of mascaras, lipsticks, bronzers, highlighters, and so on. I hope to see you there. Thank you for being with me today, and I hope to see you in my next videos. Until then, take care and see you soon.